Some people believe that black coffee has a variety of benefits for the skin, including reducing wrinkles, reducing age spots and acne, and improving skin tone. However, the benefits of black coffee for the skin are still under research, so it is difficult to say for certain whether these claims are true. Some studies have shown that black coffee can improve skin tone by increasing blood flow to the skin. Additionally, black coffee can help reduce inflammation and acne breakouts. So while there is still much to learn about the benefits of black coffee for the skin, it seems likely that it has some positive effects. Benefits of black coffee for skin. Black coffee is a great way to keep your skin looking healthy and radiant. Here are some of the benefits of drinking black coffee for the skin. Black coffee offers a plethora of skin benefits. Its rich antioxidants protect against free radicals, guarding against skin cancer. It hydrates, maintaining a healthy, radiant complexion, while its anti-inflammatory properties aid in acne reduction. Furthermore, it diminishes wrinkles and age spots, serving as a natural anti-aging remedy. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals like calcium and magnesium. It nourishes the skin from within. Improved circulation promotes toxin removal, enhancing skin tone and texture. Additionally, its flavonoids reduce inflammation and aid in wound healing, while shrinking pores and reducing cellulite. Moreover, it aids in scar healing and addresses other skin damage, offering comprehensive skincare benefits. Black coffee benefits for the body. Black coffee has long been considered a healthy drink, and recent studies have shown that it may be beneficial for the body and mind. Here are the most notable benefits of black coffee for your health. 1. Boosts memory. The consumption of coffee is beneficial for people whose memory is weak and people do not remember anything. After waking up every morning, consuming a cup of black coffee increases memory and increases the brain's efficiency. Along with this, coffee every morning. Consumption of black coffee helps to maintain activeness. 2. Gives energy. If you work out every day and feel tired, you can consume coffee in such a situation. Caffeine is found in coffee, so consuming it before a workout gives energy to the body and reduces fatigue. Along with this, the level of adrenaline in the blood also increases. Due to this, the activity remains in the body. 3. Reduces fat. Does black coffee burn fat? If a person's fat increases more or a person is facing a problem related to fat, then he should consume coffee. Coffee is a fat-burning supplement. It helps in reducing extra fat from the body. Due to this, the body fat starts decreasing, and the weight also decreases. 4. Lowers the risk of liver-related diseases. Consumption of black coffee also protects the body from many liver-related problems. It is believed that for people who drink 3 to 4 cups of coffee per day, their risk of liver-related diseases is reduced by 80%. It is considered especially beneficial in problems like cancer, hepatitis, and fatty liver disease. 5. It helps in staying stress-free. Caffeine is found in coffee, which proves to be beneficial in this type of problem, and drinking coffee is helpful in the brain. The nervous system is stimulated. Along with this, it is also beneficial in reducing fatigue and agility in the body to a great extent. 6. Diabetes. Consuming coffee lowers the amount of glucose in the blood, and chlorogenic acid is found in it, which acts as an antioxidant. According to a study, the risk of diabetes is very low in a person who drinks coffee every day. Due to this, it can also prove to be very useful to avoid diseases like diabetes. 7. Cleans the stomach. People whose stomach is not cleaned properly can consume black coffee. Due to its consumption, it can be used in the toilet again and again by drinking coffee without sugar. Toxins, bacteria, etc. come from the body in the form of a toilet. The stomach remains clean, and you will survive safely from many diseases. 8. Lower the chance of deadly diseases like cancer. Did you know black coffee can also reduce the risk of deadly diseases like cancer? The elements present in coffee help prevent some types of cancer like liver, breast, colon, and rectal cancer. Coffee also significantly reduces inflammation, which is one of the main reasons behind the development of tumors. 9. Keeps heart healthy. The benefits of black coffee help to maintain heart health. The research mentions that coffee contains several phytochemicals that may protect the heart by improving glucose metabolism, relieving oxidative stress, impacting platelet function, and immunomodulation.